Hello, everybody. Oh my God! Like, I just said we don't have more time to talk from the day that we met again, right? Because we are different groups and have a lot.
I saw you and I was like, Kim!
Yeah. So that's it why because we different group and we don't have more time to talk before, and we just have the same group today.
Yeah, the first
yes,
time.
yes.
The first time.
And she came to me on lunch, right?
The dinner when I saw you the first day.
Dinner, yeah,
I think it
the
was
first
on
day.
Monday, yeah.
But we are different tables, so we cannot talk more. We just come to say hi, something like that. So, fan, please don't make it drama.
It's so dramatic. But anyways, we love you.
Yeah. We walking
To the castle.
to the castle
To go shoot.
by the shoe, the high heel.